my last video, I showed you how to build a smart daily planner with AI, but this takes it a step further. This is your Life OS, a lightweight system to guide your entire day in 5 simple areas. Let's start at the top. This short box shows you how to use the system, just in case you ever need a reminder. Below that, you'll see 5 key areas, starting with Mind. Here I type in how I'm feeling and what I need today. I'll show you the full process for this area. The rest works exactly the same. I just hit Continue Writing, and the AI turns my thoughts into a focused action plan. I do the same for all areas, from body to routines. 1 quick input per field, 1 AI click, and I'm ready to go. That's it, a personal daily guide built with just a few lines. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.